Hello everyone, welcome to Voices of Vibe. My name is Navami Govind and you are listening to another episode of Voices of Vibe where we talk about education, careers and everything in between. Today we are joined by someone who is very special and dear to us. She is the Director of Governance and HR at Vibe Education. She plays a vital role in ensuring that we maintain high standards in terms of quality, inclusiveness and student support. Through her work, she helps create an environment where every learner feels valued and empowered to reach their goals. With a glad heart, I welcome Ms. Dullari Rameez to the podcast. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
First question that I would like to put forward to you is, what do you think makes Vibe Education different from other educational institutions in Dubai?
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. It means a lot for me. And coming to your question, why Vibe Education is different from other institutions? Actually, it's built differently. It is actually led and owned by Mr. Rameez Kaur. He came from a very humble background. He himself is a trainer. So in fact, from his vision that we follow that achieving excellence together. That's what Vibe is all about. So in that particular vision, we made the tuition fee as affordable as a student from any part of the world can come to Dubai and pursue his studies. Coming to Dubai, I would like to mention this person's name, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. We are inspired by his thought, where the students coming to Dubai, they are not only pursuing the studies, but they are building their future in Dubai. And everything in Vibe, we work student-centric approach, and we work based on a feedback system where every comment matters, every review matters, every voice of each and every learners matters to us.
Right.
And for us, quality has always in place and it will be always there. We continue giving quality education to the student. So I think these all are the things makes Vibe different from others.
Very glad to hear that. So ma'am, at Vibe Education, we have students from different nationalities.
Yes.
Students from diverse backgrounds come to Vibe Education to pursue their studies.
Okay.
So how do you cater to the needs and expectations of people from different nationalities and different cultural backgrounds?
So coming to your question about how we handle the students from the different background. So I must say about Dubai. Dubai is accepting worldwide, all over the world, people coming to Dubai. So Dubai is a global hub. So as Vibe Education is all. So we are having 10 plus nationalities working with us from trainer to the support staff, where we have given clear communication and guidance to all the staffs and the members of Vibe Education how to deal with the diversity. It's not only about check boxes for us, it's a must, and students should feel like a homely atmosphere in Vibe Education.
So ma'am, like the name of this institution, Vibe Education, how do you maintain the vibe here? How do you ensure that students have a positive and inclusive learning environment at Vibe Education?
Well, answering to these questions, I would like to include Vibe's pillars of Vibe. We are strongly stand with the 4 pillars, which is the values we can say, which is respect, freedom, excellence and openness, where I will quote for respect more because here we are facing the students from the different cultural background here. So respect in terms of biasing or discrimination, we have zero tolerance towards it. Same as like Dubai is all about. And plus we are giving academic and emotional support to the student, not only as a group, as one-on-one, wherever and whenever it is required. And our all celebrations, all activities are student-centric and their cultural, adapting or understanding their culture and all. They are part of Vibe. We consider them, they are part of Vibe. They are part of the family of Vibe. That's how we do. Thank you.
What do you mean through the title Vibe Education?
Vibe Education in every perspective, wherever you are also working with Vibe. And we have, many people like working From the trainer, we have full-time employees, we have internship people working here, we have people working remotely, we have students. These all are our customers. So we consider we always spread vibe, and it should be always positive vibe. Even we have an argument, it should be through a positive way. That's what we believe in. And till now, we are continuing the same thing. Yeah, that's why wherever there is vibe, we need it to be a positive vibe.
Ma'am, would you like to share one experience about Vibe Education with us that really touched your heart?
Well, talking about the experience, I always wanted to cherish my students' journey here. In that, I'll mention one of the students. Her name was Matisha. She was from Sri Lanka. She came here at the age of 17 to pursue her studies. First, she was taken as an intern with us. We guided her, we supported her. Then she joined in another company as an internship program. Well, after she completes her study, then she was assured and she was into that job, and she got the employment visa as well, and she was about to bring her family to Dubai. So that's a proud moment for me. Like one of my students at the early stage, she started her career and she was about to manage to bring her entire family to Dubai and make their dream come true. That is what making me more proud in this moment. And actually, I forgot this event, but when it comes to her graduation day, she, in front of every other people, she mentioned the story, which was more prouder than any other things in Vibe, which I have acquired.
That was really an achievement.
Thank you so much, Nami.
So, ma'am, what is that one piece of advice that you would like to give students who are planning to move abroad for their studies, for their career, etc.?
See, the one piece of advice I wanted to give it to every student who want to come to Dubai and pursue their studies. You need to focus on your dream. In Dubai, everything is possible, and Dubai welcomes everyone. Doesn't matter your nationality, doesn't matter your background is all about. Here, all the opportunities are available for you to earn while learning. So my advice is, when you are coming here, you think about two things. One is how you complete your studies here, plus how you will support your family abroad here, plus how you will start your career in Dubai. It's all possible if you have the clear direction of what you want in your life.
Ma'am, it was really a pleasure talking with you. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and sharing insights on what makes Vibe Education stand apart from other institutes in terms of its commitment to quality, inclusiveness, and student support. Your words truly reflected the vibe of this institution, where every student journey is supported and where every achievement is celebrated. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Navami. Thank you so much for bringing me here for the podcast. It means a lot for me. I believe in humbleness, and I truly believe Vibe Education is a humble institution, but strict on quality parts. And wishing you all the very best and success in your life. Thank you so much.
And to all our listeners, stay tuned for more updates from the Vibe community. Keep growing and keep learning until we meet next time. Thank you.